That's right. And for those Black Friday deals, sometimes you can find appliances on them. And we're going to show you a healthier way to enjoy your crunchy fried food favorites. Culinarian Lauren Lane shows us how to make zucchini fries using this Galans 3-in-1 air fryer microwave.
Well, recently with fall, it's all about football. So I love having my friends over for some game day snacks. So, I think it's about the game a little bit, but to be honest, it's all about the snacks for me. I am making zucchini fries. They're delicious fried food, but I don't like them to make a lot of fried foods in my home because of the smell, the mess, and all the oil you have to deal with. But I'm making it in the Galans 3-in-1 air fryer microwave. And so there's no mess and you hardly use any oil. So it's fantastic. I think the main thing is it's 3-in-1. There's three things. You get the microwave, you get the convection oven, and the air fryer. So you don't have to buy one bulky appliance. You get kind of all of them in one, which is handy, especially during the holidays. I always need another oven. So this is great. You can just get it at Walmart or Walmart.com. It's so easy, so few ingredients. I have my zucchini cut into little batons or sticks. And I first just dredge it in some flour, and then I put it in just an egg wash, kind of a traditional frying coating. And here I've got panko breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. So it's delicious. It gives you crunch and a little bit of cheese flavor, which is so nice. And all you do is set it right on this little air fry kit. And I can spray this with olive oil if I want it a little bit crunchier, but you don't even need to do that, and it comes out really nice. It's got the air fry kit already in there, and literally those are done in like 5 to 7, 8 minutes. Okay, so here it is, the zucchini fries, crispy, delicious, and super healthy. And again, they just came out of the Galans 3-in-1 air fried microwave for like 7 minutes. I mean, you can't beat it. I love it. And again, that's available at Walmart or Walmart.com.